Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing these two soft-sided suitcases because I'm in the market for something that's lightweight, has good capacity, durable, has the 360-degree wheels, and let's compare these two. This is the TravelPro MaxLite 5. This is the SwissGear Sion. So you can see right off the bat that this has an interesting pocket here. It is quite deep or long, but it's not super wide. And then it has this pocket that is deep and wide, and I actually have my tablet in here. This has a smaller pocket here and a smaller pocket here. So let's see if my tablet could fit in. So yes, my tablet could fit in there as well. Okay, they have the 360-degree wheels, as I mentioned. They're both expandable, 15% capacity. Nice handles, extra bumpers if you want to have it, lift it from this side and have it put down on that side. This one is expandable as well. So it's got the expansion. The handle is down here. It's not on the top. It's got a carry handle here. So let's check out the capacity. Okay, so this is the TravelPro MaxLite. It is 5.4 pounds, not full. And it can go from 46 liters and it has 15% expansion. So it does not have a part for a computer, but man, this is the lightest of any suitcase that I have ever tried. So I've put in a number of things that I'm going to test in the other suitcase as well, but hair dryer, toiletries, shoes, underclothes, and we'll see how all of this fits into the other one. Okay, so this is the SwissGear Sion. It almost seems like it has a little more capacity. I'm not sure why, and then they both expand. So these are non-expanded, but it seems like it has a little more capacity. I put my shoes here instead of in this part because this just opens from the top, whereas the TravelPro had the zip all the way around, and it was more forgiving. It had more give in here, so I was able to put my shoes in there. But in this time, I'm putting them here. This one does come with this little attachable or detachable toiletry bag. I'm not using it at the moment because I want to give a apples to apples comparison, but it does seem like it has a little more space. And then, like I said, my tablet can fit in here. If I wanted to put a mouse in here in case I had another carry-on bag with my computer, I could do that, or whatever in here. But this one is also decent. It is 8 pounds without anything in it, so it's a little heavier, but the capacity is really good and they both move really well. So this is the SwissGear Sion, and the handle extends super easily. It sits just here, and the wheels spin super easily, back and forth, front and back, and then spinning. And then this is the TravelPro MaxLite 5. Extends super easily, spins super easily, back and forth. Definitely lighter if that's what you're after.